Jesse's place.
Ayan, pinindot ko na kaya lumabas. It's
Oh
okay.
my God. Mag-i-stop ba to? Yeah.
Tinisting mo.
This is free self-driving eh.
Wow, okay.
Tingnan natin.
Self-driving na yan, ha?
Yeah, this is self-driving.
By computer, ha?
Mm-hmm.
That's what Tesla paid for.
Wow, look at this.
I wanna get 3 of this.
My own driver.
Wow. You don't hold the steering, huh?
I don't
man.
have to hold it. It will steer on its own.
Oh, that's nice, huh? For lazy driver, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Are you a lazy driver now, Phil? Oh, your hands is not in the wheel, Phil.
Not on the wheel.
I'm scared, man. Phil, I'm scared, huh? Yeah. Oh, that's what it is, huh?
So we can.
And then when we stop also,
We
huh?
should stop. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Oh,
You're not,
nice.
You're not holding it. Yeah, I
It's a
got.
good driver. Look at that.
Yeah. Kita ko, Phil. Oh. Kita ko, ikaw. Kamay mo, you're holding your 2 hands.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm scared, man.
I'm not. We'll see.
How about if it's long drive? It's okay?
It's fine.
All right. What did you do while you're trying to, what? Is this automatic or is just
This is the self-driving
selection?
feature of Tesla.
Yeah, I see the Tesla sign.
Okay, see.
There you go.
Very nice. Look at that.
How about the pedal gas?
I'm not staring. Look at my legs.
Yeah, you're right. Wow.
But how come